for the recognition for graduation with all the rights, privileges, and honors thereto appertaining.
Cebu Technological University Carmen Campus Director, Dr. Anthony S. Elani, as checked and evaluated by the respective academic chairperson, validated by the respective college deans, and certified by campus registrar Ms. Maria Dayan G. M. Maningo. I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the academic year 2025-2026. 248 from the Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Computer Technology. 203 from the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. This